Switch to Shopify and sell smarter at every stage of your business. Take full control of your brand.
Got me in my minute. I love money, what got me in my feelings. I love money, yeah, I love all my feelings. I got Forex diamonds on me, how these bitches jealous. I was doing go up, I love money, go down. I love money, I love money, I love money, I love money. 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 Aye. We boot up, we get high. We do drugs all the time. Bitch told me won't fall. Circle, let's get it. All these pussies, what's up? Circle, let's get it. All we do is go up. Deep prayer got me in my minute. Big what got me in my feelings. I love money, yeah, I love all my feelings. Yeah, I got Forex diamonds on me, how these bitches jealous. All we do is go up, we'll go down. X made me go up, Forex got me ground. Yeah, you said you better come spin, better turn around. Yeah, you said you wanted me to tell me how to fucking sound. Yeah, I just went and bought a building for a large amount. Yeah, she told me bustin' that, she told me not to ever pull out. Yeah, she told me that she better let she ain't never heard about.
Hello. I'm not even sure how I sound, not even sure how I look. I'm not even sure what I'm supposed to be showing on my screen. What am I showing on my screen right now? Let me get this fixed up real quick. Screen capture. Oh. Source. Screen 3, bro. What you doing? There we go. How do I sound, boys? Give me some good news. I don't want to hear no negativity. Please tell me I sound good. Please tell me everything's straight. Music's at a good volume. What's up, Saxy? What it do, Renee? How's everything? Renee. I said Renee. All right, boys. Renee, how do I sound? Saxy, how do I sound? Talk to me, chat. I need some feedback. Is there any echo? Anything odd about the camera angle? Anything like that? Any feedback, boys? Let's send. Don't switch. Woke money. All right, what's up, chat? I got literally nobody saying anything in the comments. I feel like my stream is frozen, bro. I know we've been not the best with the streams, but like I said, boys, I'm back at home. I'm back at my original setup. I'm back where I'm supposed to be able to have the best possible streams. I mean, starting today, I feel like I was a little bit too big, a little bit too shy right now. I don't want to be that big. Boys, I'm back at home, back in my original setup, and back where I'm supposed to be to be able to have the best possible streams. And starting today. All right, I noticed I can put up the volume just a little bit more. I wasn't getting the feedback I needed from the chat. Nonetheless, I figured it out on my own. And it could still go even a little louder. All right, home is good. We're the good luck charmers, boys. Yes, sir. We're back home where we should have some good luck now, boys. I'm sick of goddamn these choppy ass markets. It's a new trading year for me, basically, the way I'm taking it for today, because the trading log that we have for everybody, is meant for we started tracking our live stream trades a year ago. And so the spreadsheet that I have, if you guys don't recall, starts out in April, and we are back in April. So I need a new spreadsheet. So if you guys know a good website, or like those good, like, I don't know if you guys have access to a good, track log, trading log for, for trades similar to my spreadsheet. I know that I've had people send me some good ones. I just never really paid attention to it because I was waiting to get to a full year of data on mine. But mine's at a full year of data. So mine's at a full year of data. Today we're going to start a new trading track log. And yeah, I'm excited. So let's start off with a banger, boys. I don't know. I feel like my camera's a little bit too bright. I feel like there's a little bit too many lights around me. Maybe I need to put down the light. How do I sound, boys? Does the music need to go up right now? Everything straight? Oh boy. GJ is cooking up. GJ, first of all, is in a position that I really don't like due to the fact that we have a daily SMA right here, daily 50 SMA right here, right? The problem with that is that we have price in between these two SMAs. The SMAs are strong attractions of price, man. It's like huge magnets that are just attracting a price or potentially repelling price. So price obviously is going to, price can only go up or down. That's obvious, but price is going to hit either this level or it's going to come down to this level, right? So the closer that we get to each or one of these levels, the more I feel like price is getting, going to get attracted to it. So if right now we start actually forming a bullish candle, start trading around these 600 areas, I'm the most likely going to think that we're going to come into these 900 areas. We start actually breaking these daily lows, I'm obviously thinking that we're going to come down to these 189, 600 areas. So, I mean, right now we're in the middle of a range. That's without to be said, pretty clear. But there's a huge potential. It might be a pretty simple way to trade this. We potentially could just trade this. Anything beneath here, we go for some 30 pip sells, continuations. Anything above here, we go for some 30 pip sell retracements from this bearish price action movement, because everything upwards is a correction, because our impulse is to the downside here, right? We don't really have any correction patterns being formed telling us that price is ready to reject. This is actually impulse to the downside, right? This pink candlestick right here is an impulse to the downside, and that impulse has been followed up by a correction phase, which is what price is doing right now. What to do, Marcus? Yo, Marcus, tell me that you know a good trading log. Like, I need to start tracking my trades in a new log. I've reached a year of data, and I want to switch logs. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it's you, or I'm not sure if it's Barnes, but I know that somebody has given me some good trade locker, not trade locker, a good some good platform, or a good just link, or a good I don't know, spreadsheet that I could use. All right. Yes. All right, chat. My Fox books, I don't track my trades yet, Boys, you guys know any good ways to track your trades, any good spreadsheets, anything like that, you guys let me know. Potentially my FX book. All right, boys. One's in the chat if you guys think that GJ is going to be bullish tonight. One's in the chat if you guys think that GJ is going to be bullish tonight. Two's in the chat if you guys think that GJ is going to go bearish tonight. What is your guys' outlooks? I see the fact. I mean, I'm looking at just clear outside market structure. This is just impulse to the downside that we've had. And then we had our correction phase. Impulse, correction, impulse. We're going through a correction. I don't know why I'm a little bit bearish right now, boys. A little bit bearish. What did it do, Sagar? Very ugly range that GJ is giving right now. I mean, for the bulls, we are forming higher levels of support currently. One level here, another levels here. Just higher levels of support, right? So potentially we could have a ripple fib being formed right now. But really we would just want to look at it very simply. We don't want to get too technical with what's happening. Price is ranging, right? We're waiting for market to open. Pre-London, you know, started about 28 minutes ago. We could say 30 minutes ago. Oh, my mix. There we go. My laptop just broke, so I can't look at the charts. My self. Any news on TFT? I have currently not heard any news on TFT. If you go to the TFT website, there's just a countdown, like that says like 16 days countdown from when they will be able to give us a good solid response on what's supposed to happen. How does the mic sound? How does the audio sound, chat? Oh my god, I am so glad to be back. We're about to have some fucking great streams every single day. We're gonna go on some great freaking win streaks, and we're gonna do the best we can to possibly fucking, I don't know, just go on the best possible win streak. That's what I'm dying to hit a 10 win streak and just fucking document it all. I have a perfect camera, I have a perfect microphone for it. I'm a perfect setup. I have the equipment, I have everything necessary to just perform well in the charts. I am so motivated today to fucking trade. So motivated to trade this whole week, man. I mean, we're having live streams every single day. VIP members, we're gonna have Zooms every single day. Well, not sure about, yeah, we can have Zooms every single day. Man, but just Jesus Christ, I can't wait to fucking, we're gonna run up this goddamn live stream. Let's get this shit back on track. You guys have no idea how motivated and excited I am to be here. Even with my dead chat. Even with the dead chat. All right, so what we see what's happening is GG right now. We do see our SMAs, you know, on the lower time frames being a 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame. We do have the SMAs potentially flipping. So we see the 50 SMA is now beneath price action, right? And now we see that 8 SMA, which is this little line right here. You know, it's trying to get recovered by the candlesticks right now. So potentially we could have our, what, this was the down channel. Now we have the side channel, and now we could potentially be forming that up channel, right? Like I said, I have more feelings that we're going to go bearish, but that's just because I'm looking at the higher time frames, right? Higher time frames is that this is a continuation candlestick. These are all continuation candlesticks. Even if you guys think that these are reversal candlesticks, I see them as continuations. Now, sometimes they do play out like this right here, and they do reverse. Nonetheless, I think that there's a higher chance it goes down than up. But then, again, you look at the daily candlestick. Daily candlestick looks very bearish. Look at the weekly. Weekly looks like it could flip, right? This wick eventually needs to get filled, right? We know that GJ is a very bullish pair. But we look at the monthly, and the monthly, man, the second that monthly flips bullish, Jesus Christ, it looks so bullish. So it's scary to take a sell right now. I think buys might be a smarter play to take as we speak, just because the monthly flip. I mean, look, we have 1, 2, 3. This should be the 4th bullish monthly candlestick in a row. You want to ride the streaks. You don't want to just predict. You don't want to call bottoms or call tops. You just want to ride the continuation. So bullish, bullish, bullish. This candlestick flips bullish at what price? At 191. Monthly bullish flip. So it flips bullish basically at this top right here. That's interesting to know. A lot to go to before it flips bullish. So even if it does flip bullish, even if we don't catch this long move till it starts baiting the bullish flip and it starts ranging around this area right here, there's still a lot more to go once we actually do flip bullish. This is going to be a strong level to surpass, though. I mean, the whole London session is going to be probably a bait whether we're going to get to this level or not. You understand? So like the whole London session, we're baiting everybody. All the traders are wondering, hey, are we actually going to reach this resistance area where the monthly flips bullish, or are we actually going to, continue to the downside, break these lows, and start having a strong retracement like most rookies expect. A lot of people are working with funded next right now. I'm getting a whole bunch of funded next accounts to pass. Did I just delete my mark? All right, monthly bullish flip being where? Jesus, what did I just do? All right, monthly bullish flip being right there. Style. All right, boys, what our goal of today is to start off my new. I'm getting a new track record today, right? It's going to be based on a new spreadsheet. It's new everything. Let's start off with a winner today. That is the goal today. The goal today is to take one winning trade, take a strong leverage on it, take a confident, strong leverage trade, and slaughter it. You understand? By all means. I can't fall into not being patient. I can't fall into bullish, fake out bullish setups or bullshit traps set up to the market. We are focused today, boys. It's a new week. It's a new month. Let's focus up, boys, across the board. Everyone, no fucking around today. Let's goddamn be disciplined. Let's goddamn, set a new tone. Let's set a new goddamn. Had 50K on my Forex funds and FT. Dude, I got robbed by my Forex funds. And safe to say I got robbed by FTMO as well. What it do, boy? Check it, my boy Ehab in the cut, dude. Ehab, if you see anybody talking shit, talking anything that's not acceptable, you kick them as soon as possible. I'm gonna put you to the test. Ehab, it's been a minute, brother. Let's try to catch a banger today, boy. Let's try to catch a banger. I'm back at my home setup. I'm back to streaming every single day during London session, possibly during Asian session. We're going to be making it all the way to New York session a lot of the time. I'm going to be killing it on streams right now. I'm ready to fucking slaughter the markets. GU is looking bullish as a baby. This is actually a great descending wedge formation that played out beautifully. You know, you had a little break and retest. Now it's on its way, and this was another retest right here. Break, retest. Yeah, GU is looking cleaner than GJ right now. Hopefully GU starts looking choppy and GJ starts looking clean. We just gotta wait for, you know, like I said, luck to hit our favor. GJ has been dead, yes. And boys, if we go on Forex Factory right now, we see that we have no news today. German prelim CPI, I mean, all day. I don't really know what the fuck that means, but potentially some crazy shit could happen. Hopefully some crazy shit does happen. Boys, if you guys have not liked up the stream yet, I don't know what you guys are doing. How you guys come watch my stream and don't even like it up? Oh, I'm telling you, boys, we come in with that energy. We come in different today. We ain't feeling lazy. We literally, I'm about to light one up on stream and everything, boys. I'm feeling no bank holiday today. Full volume today. I'm aware we got full volume today. No excuses. We should be able to have full volume today. We should be able to catch something nice. Now, ones in the chat if you guys think that GJ is going to be bullish tonight. Ones in the chat if you guys think that GJ is going to be bullish tonight. Twos in the chat if you guys think GJ is going to be bearish.
Put it on my arm, just counted the 50 with my mom. The ball done, all my car came from. My chain glowing, I ain't going, man. Look where we came from. All your bangles got my name on it. She want me to put my name on it. I got the hottest 16, one of the best you ever seen. But she like it when I sang on it.
I came up from nothing, nigga, you can't tell me shit. Yeah, did it on my own, check out my neck, check out my wrist. Yeah,
I swear I ain't never expected it to be like this. Now a nigga getting rich. I swear every day we lit.
yeah,
Man.
every day we lit. Yeah, you can't tell me shit. Yeah, remember I was broke, now I'm getting rich.
Yeah, when you diamond colder than a bitch, then you know you lit. When you quit to take a nigga bitch, then you know you lit.
Every day we lit. Yeah, every day we lit. Oh yeah, every day we lit. Oh yeah, every day we lit. Oh yeah, every day we lit. Yeah, every day we lit. Every day we lit.
All right, my bad. I was posting an Instagram post showing that we are live. Man, it's confusing. Like I said, monthly candlestick gives me vibes that it could flip bullish. This gives me vibes that we have a whole bunch of people thinking that price needs to retrace. We have a whole bunch of people calling tops on GJ right now. And I don't know where this is just going to aggressively push towards the bullish flip. Then when it looks like it's going to flip bullish, it's going to range at that area. Then it's probably going to have to just wait for news to randomly just boom, start the wick fill. Nobody's going to be able to catch the wick fill either. Then GJ makes all-time highs. Nobody got to catch it. That's usually how it goes. You know? Or we start looking at this 4-hour candlestick chart. We just keep it very simple. This is a fake out retracement. This is actually impulse to the downside, correction, impulse. I'm kind of on the edge, man. I mean, like I think that I want to focus on that 4-hour candlestick chart. In the 4-hour candlestick chart, I do not think that this is ready to just fly. I'd be surprised. I think that these lows need to get broken again. I really do think that these lows need to get broken again. I think that 190 needs to get tapped, right? Our halfway mark between 191 and 190 is this resistance area that we're at right now. Boys, like I said, please like up the stream if you guys have not liked up the stream yet. Remember, every time we reach 100 likes, and we start doing VIP giveaways. Might do some $50 giveaways, might do a VIP giveaway, might do $100 in giveaway total. I've been good. I've been away at my wife's parents' house the last week, or the last 2 weeks. So I just got home. Besides just getting home, I finally set my setup up. My setup is set up again where it's supposed to be. And so now I could get back to streaming. I could get back to being all loud, because I was streaming at my wife's parents' house, but I wasn't screaming and shit. I was talking real low. I was not myself, so I wasn't myself on stream. Now I'm back to being fucking, I don't know. I'm back to chugging Celsius and smoking some goddamn blunts on stream and just catching trades and just vibing. I have a pretty big amount of accounts being managed right now. I'm passing a pretty good amount of challenges as well. Within the last 2 weeks, we've passed 7 challenges. Well, this is the 3rd week, so this would be starting the 3rd week. Yes, I can finally smoke. I got a whole ass blunt rolled up right here. Look how beautiful that camera just like focuses on like whatever I bring up to the camera, and then everything else blurs back. Like, can you tell that I have a fucking expensive lens? Do I drink alcohol? I do. FTMO owes me $6,000, Ehab. Truth Social. That's a good platform to track my trades on. Whoop, sorry about that. Ehab, how does my mic sound? Tell me that my mic sounds good. How does my mic sound? How does the music sound? How does the webcam look? Everything good? Do I sound professional? Do I sound like I could do ASMR? ASMR. What's my favorite bottle? Jesus, that's a pretty goddamn hard question. Brother, I will make sure that I'm here every single day on stream. Every single day. I'm back on my setup. That's why I'm here early. I'm showing you guys that I got the energy for it. We're going to be fucking killing it, dude. I'm telling you. King Joy, we're going to be here every single day. Every single day. I moved from my apartment to a new apartment in 3 months. I'm getting a new apartment in 3 months. I got 3 months to kill it. To kill it on stream. So whoever has a good new trading track log, spreadsheet, any access or link to the best recommended one, I need it, because I am getting ready to start a new trading log. We've reached a year of data. The year of data said that we finished at a 74% win rate. We need to do better than that. We start today. I'm ready to kill it, boys. You guys already know how we're going to be doing it. We're going to be doing it 1 to 2 trades a stream. 1 to 2 trades a stream. Besides that, I mean, it just really comes down to patience. We don't want any gamblers on our stream. We don't want anybody that's over leveraging on every trade. We're here to focus up, consistently grow, and man, just learn and have a good time as well. You know, you can't be fucking. You gotta like what you're doing as well. Can't be goddamn grumps about it. Positive energy, positive vibes. That's all we're here for. Woke money shit. Woke goddamn money shit. Yo, what's up with all these goddamn scammers out here in the industry, bruh? I am probably a Pink Whitney type of person. I drink, like, I don't know, dude. I drink, like, very sugary drinks. And, like, nothing, like, too, like, you know, not really on the rocks type of guy. Everyday streams, 100%. 1,000% everyday streams. We need to start a pyramid. We should we're 50 people in this group right now. Maybe we could all have like some friends and family sign up, and we'll be at the top of the pyramid, us 50, and maybe us 50 could, like, you know, conquer some shit. FTX style. One of my favorite drinks is a John Daly. Am I moving to another city? That is a good question. Yes. Funded Next, Alpha Trader, TFT. No, not Texas. I'm still staying in Florida. All right. This new 30-minute candle, well, this 30-minute candlestick is going to tell us a lot right now, boys. This 30-minute candlestick, I mean, if it continues down to the downside, we are most likely going to reach, continues to the downside, right? This 30-minute candlestick, if it continues to the downside, it means that we're going to start wick filling this. Means that most likely I think that this low is going to get broken, which raises our probabilities of sells happening a lot more. Nonetheless, if this 30-minute candlestick decides to flip bullish, the chances of this wick getting filled right here increases a lot more. Right now it's going down as we speak, but this 30-minute candlestick is going to tell us a lot about what's going to happen in these next few. Hopefully. TFT ain't gone, bruh. They just paused their trading. Get it right. Y'all need to get it right, bruh. Get your shit together. Get yourselves together. Boys, what time does London session start? I bet y'all don't even know that question anymore. I bet y'all don't even know that goddamn question anymore. 3? That's what you say? That's your final answer? Can you show me the timepiece you're wearing right now? I'm embarrassed to show it. I'm wearing the same one I'm usually always wearing. This is the daily. This is the daily. And the more you hang around with people that have a lot of goddamn money, the more you realize your watch really don't mean shit. This is the... Oh. Oh. Bro, let's go TikTok. 6,000. That's more. It's like 8,000, 9,000. Now, new, this is $12,000. All scuffed up, kind of how I got it. A little different. Do you still recommend prop firms after all this shit's happening? Yes, I recommend prop firms, man. It's a part of the game. Prop firms have opened the doors to so many traders, including myself. I cannot tell you guys that prop firms are not the way to go. Prop firms are still the way to go. You probably still, I think, like, I don't know, man. Putting a whole bunch of money into an account is the only way you're actually going to make a lot of money, and that's still very risky. Good morning, Arnold's. God damn, I was missing. I knew I was missing some fucking people. Yeah, GG's just a goddamn barcode right now. Scan to get the QR code. Arnold, I'm back at my home, buddy. I'm back home. Look, I'm screaming. Honey, I'm home. Yoo-hoo. Look, I got a blunt out. I can smoke this shit whenever I want. I can make as much noise as I want. I don't give a fuck. No one's watching me. We back. We finna kill it. Finna kill it. Let's go. I'm so glad to be back. Look at gold going. Look at gold going. I'm excited, boys. That's the way I'm gonna be able to express myself today. Power and trading, woke money shit. Boys, if you guys are watching the stream right now, please make sure that you guys drop a like. Make sure that you guys drop a like, because if we get to 100 likes, we will be able to do some giveaways today. Give away some free money. Who doesn't love free money? You know, so drop a like. Don't be a Jerry. Where's the guy that always calls me Jerry? All right, now that we got 50 people here in the stream, I want to know, do we have majority of people in here thinking that GJ is going to be bullish? Majority of people in here thinking that GJ is... We've had a majority think bearish, and right now price is going downwards. If everybody starts typing 2, saying that they think GJ is going to go down, this thing might turn around and fly. So actually, people should probably keep their mouth shut. But what, you know, 1's in the chat if you guys think that GJ is going to fly. 2's in the chat if you guys think GJ is going to sell. Let's see. I mean, it's very few times that we have the majority of the people be correct. And right now, I know that the majority was sells. Interesting to see what happens here. Ben Smith, welcome to the stream, brother. I'm not really sure if I've seen your name before.
Yeah, fuck nigga hoes, I ain't got lust. Black man, big gat, make him give it up. Diamond came from G, so you know I waited for. Heard you being women, now you ain't cuffed up. Now I got your main hoe.
Big Chopper got bass. Trombone. Let's see, new house of cards. I'm not really sure what that is. Yo, I'm getting a new apartment in 3 months. I've been apartment shopping and ooh wee. Can't wait, dude. I'm gonna build myself. I mean, I already do have a huge office. This office is very hard to match in the size. My next office is gonna be half the size, but half the size is easier to decorate and make a cool bunch of cool. Like, I can't complain right now. I have a huge office. My office is a whole ass living room. It's a whole ass. I could literally goddamn play a whole goddamn golf hole on in my office. No reason to complain. Sorry about not having anything up on the charts that's relevant up to the moment. Nothing relevant up on the charts due to the fact that you guys already know my style of looking at this. You know, I'm not really going to ever pull out a 15-minute candlestick chart on you guys and being like, oh, price might go up right now. Price might go up like right now. Like, get the fuck out of here. That shit's not going to work. You know, like, look, we're going nowhere. That is some good content. Look at gold, man. Gold is just a beauty picture, man. This is so beautiful. This was a beautiful reversal wedge, you know, and besides it being a reversal wedge, we had our impulse, then we had the correction, reversal wedge to, you know, say that the correction was done with. Then we had another impulse. Whoops, sorry. Impulse. Then we had a correction. Then we had another impulse. Then we had a correction. And it's just been doing the same thing on and on again, like impulse correction on all time frames. Gold is very bullish to me. Very, very bullish to me. If you guys are going to be taking trades, make sure you guys are on the gold bullish side. All right, looking at the 4 hour now on GJ, we could start getting a clear picture to see that these 4 hour candlesticks might not mean that price is ready to turn around, boys. This 4 hour candlesticks might be telling us that this is just a little bit of continuation. This is a little bit of a correction phase, but the continuation of this strong bullish momentum might have to continue. What prop firms are you guys using? That is a question that Arnold is asking. Pretty sure to the chat. Chat, what prop firms are you guys using right now? What prop firms do you guys consider being your guys' favorites, most trusted? When I step back from the mic, does it sound real bad like where I am right now? I'm pretty sure it sounds pretty goddamn ass. Like, you could tell that it's not sounding crispy compared to like when I'm right here talking into the mic. Is it a huge difference? Is it annoying? Should I just always have the mic up front of my mouth, or do I need to, or I could chill? I could chill a little bit and like, ugh, like get the fuck away from that shit. Can I get away from it? Apex. Switch to, man, I have so many people that have switched to futures and just started trading those Apex accounts. They've been resetting them bitches for 80 bucks and they just be gambling on them. You're currently on a prop firm called 3 prop firms, or you currently have 3 prop firms? All right, boys, we have 4 minutes till GJ opens. 4 minutes till GJ opens. We look at the hourly candlestick chart. There really is nothing really too clean to be looking at. I mean, where's the arrows? Where are my arrows? My bad, I got distracted. Arrow. Why is this not up there?
Hit a stain while I'm laying out the coop. With some mollies and they done and let it shoot. I caught a pussy on the roof. From the dog where we know to let it go. My niggas, they gon' make a hole up at the door. Her mama trip, I fucked her in the bando. She say she like the way my wrist is whipping.
So we have, look up here, we have our monthly bullish flip marked out, by the way, boys. A monthly bullish flip, meaning that the monthly flips bullish, volume incoming, hopefully. Monthly flips bullish over here at this line.
I've been in the dark with some killers right behind me. I remember days when them bitches went beside me. I remember in the corner.
Is there a bunch of news about to drop? You have me confused. Alright, get this mic out of my goddamn face. Yeah, I like that you could withdraw instantly on those Apex accounts. I think that is a good plus. Coming 3 months should be fire, bro. We should hit 10K subs. I really hope that we do something like that. I'm going to be making sure I show up every single day. If I want the YouTube to grow, I need to be showing up every single day. And I need to have content creators on my side ready to just help me drop. Oh, GJ is turning around and going bullish right now. That is where volume is pushing us right now. I'd love to see where gold is at right now. I wonder if gold had a little bit of a push as well. Oh, I think gold went down right now. Nah, not really. I think gold might be a good trade for us, man. I don't know if we should be looking at GJ right now. I think we should just go with the simple gold long. Gold looks great. Yo, is Slick Blocker here? Any good gold traders out here? Oh, gold's just gaining bearish momentum. But then we look at GU, and GU's flying. Well, that was a nice little... How many pips is that? Honestly, that wasn't even a jump. That was 7 pips. That was 7 pips, boys. That's how you know that the charts are not moving. When the chart moves 7 pips, and it has everybody thinking that, damn, there's volume. Or damn, that shit left. That's how you know that goddamn the charts are not going anywhere as we speak. After that blunt, I don't know if you're gonna make it to New York session. Hopefully I don't have to make it to New York session. Hopefully we can catch a trade and keep it moving. And I have a feeling it's gold longs. Like, look how beautiful this looks right now. Oh! 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 We gotta be patient today, boys. Haven't even hit my blunt. GJ is tapping into the daily to be left into our, so let's see the GJ's daily again. Is GJ looking at the daily? Yeah, GJ already baited people into thinking it was gonna go bullish. I think that GJ should be a clean sell right now, man. It's looking like a buy to most people. I think it really is looking like a sell. Potentially gonna take a trade soon. I just don't want to rush into anything without any clean confirmations. That's the thing, boys. Really don't want to rush into anything without any clean confirmations. What's interesting right now is that there is a ripple fib potentially playing out. Like, if you notice, look at these wick rejections that we have, right? They're higher levels of wick rejections being formed, as well as all these inner levels of higher support being formed, higher level, but there's only one level of resistance being held. That is a ripple fib, right? So let me draw that exact formation that we were just looking at right now. It's wicks to the downside, same resistance being held. Sometimes it doesn't get there all the way. Sometimes it breaks it just a little bit, has a little bit of breaks of structure, but it's this same resistance that's being held. That's the one that we're hugging right there, circling. So I do see how we could have an explosive push, but that's on the smaller time frames that we're looking at. That medium time frames, not GJ surprises. Damn, gold.
Nigga, this is what that jungle do. You been plotting, nigga, wasn't you? I should've never even fuck with you. Yeah, I started in the back, had to skip the line. No, I'ma keep that shit a stack till my fucking time go. Niggas throw you in the shade cause they wanna shine. No, nigga throw me in the grave in the Ferragamo. Man, I can't believe they killed my fucking bro Quado. Shit was so deep, I had to say that with my eyes closed. That shit made me wanna treat a nigga like he John Doe. Nah, I know me Rondo, nah, that nigga John Doe.
We're just gonna have to be patient. I mean, really, this is basically the Monday of. I mean, we have not had. This is the first London session of the week. First London session of the week means that the bank's just barely open. The trading just barely started. I mean, we're just gonna have to wait for the volume to come, or you marry yourself to a bias right now, right? So if you are bullish, you know, you start taking bullish buys, throwing stop losses very validly. You know, maybe 30 to 35 pips. You know, and you set your take profits and you start going to sleep. You know, if you don't want to wait, that's your approach, that's your set and forget, and that's your style. But if you're gonna be patient, scalper, you know, trying to freaking catch one to twos that freaking cash you out $10,000, then you need to goddamn be ready to just be patient and just actually wait for these confirmations and stay focused. And sometimes it's hard, right? Sometimes it's hard. It could be a little bit agonizing, but the more you do it and then you find success in it, the funner it gets. It gets fun. It gets fun being able to wait around the charts and being like, oh, like I've been here before. And you're just like, am I actually going to find the setup that I've been looking for? And that was like the first thoughts when you first try out the strategy of the one trade a day strategy. But after you start, you know, realizing that you could actually just put, you know, stick around the charts for a while, find that valuable setup, execute it, and then just that one trade and get off. Like that feeling is so perfect. Such a beautiful feeling.
That jungle made me go harder. That jungle turned me to a monster.
I adore being able to take one trade a day and get off and like just move on. I wish I would have found it earlier in my trading career, right? Not when I say found it, I just mean that like I wish I would have followed those finding, I mean, and that's the thing, when you're forced to take that one trade a day, you're forced to actually find that high probability setup. You know, I'm not out here just trying to take it. Like I right now know potentially that the longs could play out, just like I know, you know, I'm like, oh, there's a good chance that the longs play out. I don't give a fuck if there's a good chance that the longs play out. I don't care if the chart goes up and I knew it was going to go up. I don't care if the chart goes down. I need it to go, like I need it to actually be something that I more than just have a feeling about, right? It needs to be something that I'm inspired about, you know? Cash is a position, you know, everybody wants to always be in a trade. You don't always need to be in a trade, right? That's what cash being a position means, you know. Just not being in a trade is a type of trade. It is a position. It is still trading. You are still trading when you are not in a trade. What do I mean by that? You know, an athlete, a soccer player. Just because a soccer player is not actually playing a soccer game and they're out of the gym training doesn't mean that they're not a professional soccer player. They're still a professional soccer player, but you have to, you know, they're putting in the work that lets them perform their best. You know, so sometimes you got to be patient, not be in a trade, you know, put in that work. Jesus Christ. What's up with GJ? Look at that shit. Wow. Well, that's the volume we were waiting for. You're trying to snipe shorts? You a wild man.
I bought her an apartment, so I knew her like a tenant. All the verses tailor-made for you to get offended. It was never unintended. Backyard Tiger Woods worthy for the eagle. String her ass along, I'll thread her through the needle. Number 2 and 3 is like Madonna and the Beatles. I ain't worried.
Best prop firms I'm trusting right now is Alpha Trade, Funding Next. I don't know, chat, what else?
I'm a hog, gotta get along with, get on the song with, which it be going right, but I just flip into the wrong shit. The team that I belong to, the artists I put on with, don't ever ask for nothing, cause them niggas got their own shit. Me and Weezy like a mouth full of hot peppers, black Ferrari with the red seats, I call it playing checkers. I'm never doing verses, I'm forever giving lectures. If you're trying to meet with money, I'd be happy to connect ya. Life is better than it's ever been. Scheduling $1 million meetings with the president. Someone got the lights on. Where is Thomas Edison? Got a new condo. Watch me as I settle in. I deserve an MTV show.
God damn, GJ. GJ's just going right now, boys. Jesus Christ. All right, so I mean, I was showing you guys the ripple fib and how the ripple fib was starting to play out, and then as you can see, the ripple fib is deciding to play out. Now, I'm not sure how much longer we could actually maintain this bullish momentum. I think that this is just the wake up. You know, this is just the good morning London session pump. Good morning London session pump is followed up by a correction, unless it really just goes. I'm glad to see that we have volatility right now. If you guys remember, we do have marked our monthly bullish flip all the way up here. And I actually need to make this a little bit bigger. Monthly bullish flip, meaning that the monthly candlestick, so we'll go to the monthly real quick. Monthly candlestick flips bullish once that green line gets hit. That is at the 191 on the dot. 191 on the dot on GJ. Monthly candlestick flips bullish. A very strong trigger for us to continue the wick fill, it being this candlestick wick filling. Well, we have this wick right here. The wick fill is very, 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 very possible. It would be a very fun and great trade to catch. Where's Badass? Man, based on the 4 hour, the impulse is to the downside, man. Based on the 4 hour, that's the impulse. This is the correction. I'm expecting another impulse based on the 4 hour. No, I think Badass is on Epstein's Island right now. That's where he said he'd be. He said that he was gonna be. He was partying with P Diddy, and he got the connections on how to get to Epstein's Island, and I don't know if we're gonna see Badass for a while now. He's gonna be one of them Bangladeshian lady boys. Are you a lady boy? So chat, let's start asking the chat now. One's in the chat if you guys think that GG is actually going to go bullish. Like, this is the 1 hour chart right now, right? We have level of resistance that used to be support right here. Potentially a little break and retest of that area. One's in the chat if you guys think that GJ. One in the chat if you think GG is going to go bullish. Two's in the chat if you think that GJ is going to go bearish. What does the chat think? Notice how majority of the chat said bearish, and now it's going bullish. Told you, it's so hard to get the majority of the chat getting me being on the correct side. Now everyone's saying one. Let's see. Myrock says 2. Magic Tech bullish. Magic Tech. Marcus Toulette says bullish. Mac Main says bullish. Renee's bullish. We have had a 20 pip GJ rally up to the moment. With and Renee are bearish. They ain't playing. Temporary pullback, then bearish. Okay, that's kind of what I'm gonna aim for right now. It being my best possible trade. No. You don't like my mic because if I go backwards, I'm like fucking standing a mile away from it. My echo is everywhere. What about right now? It sounds better, or it sounds horrible if I lean backwards, right? I gotta stay close to it. Somebody give me some feedback on how my mic sounds right now. There we go. I feel like that's a good spot. All right, somebody give me some feedback on how my mic sounds right now. Nice. Does it sound like I'm too far away from it? Thank you, Roshan. My man, Roshan. Oh, wait, I thought it was Roshan Paul. That's Roshan Rout. Where's Roshan Paul? Sounds crystal clear. Thank you. Oh, I'm trying. I had to like. Oh, there's Roshan Paul. That's my man. You see? Yo, much love to you. Is that I just barely got. I mean, I traveled back from my wife's parents' house, and I got home. I did hella groceries. Went to Sam's Club. Went to Publix. Did a whole bunch of stuff. Cleaned the car. Filled all the cars up with gas. Filled my wife's car up. Filled my car up. And then I got home and I had to fucking build my whole setup, set up the ring light, set up the yellow light, set up the camera stand, set up the 2 monitors, set up my computer, set up this mic, set up the mic stand, set up the headset, set up the cam link to actually get 4K, set up the new Wi-Fi with the 5G, connect it all, obviously get out my keyboard, get out my mouse, make sure the speakers are working, make sure the stream's connected correctly to the Wi-Fi, connect all the cables that come with all those things correctly together, connect my headset. I mean, there's a whole bunch of other stuff going on around there. Had to build my green screen, the poles for the green screen, connect the actual green screen to the poles, get the softbox white lights built up again and connect them all again to the wall. Boys, I swear I got to name everything that I could think of on the spot. There's probably more. It's a shit ton of work, but I'm excited. Like, look, I can fucking scream again. I'm smoking. Look, you don't see the excitement. I usually don't smoke on stream anymore, and now I'm out here goddamn blazing it up. One, because the chart's not really moving too much. I'm still not going to enter a trade. I don't mind waiting around the charts with you guys. I'm glad to fucking be back. We're going to be streaming every single day. We're going to be having some long live streams. If you're in the VIP, we'll be doing amazing Zooms. We'll be having fun with each other. Oh, that sounds ridiculous. Point is that we are here, and we are here to stay and have a good time. Most importantly, we're here to fucking catch some trades, boys. We're here to catch some trades. If you guys have any good recommendations of new trading trading logs, I need a new trading log. If you guys have any trading logs you guys recommend for Forex, I would truly love it. All right, so potentially right now we might have a Fibonacci long that we could catch, right? So we have a trend being set on the smaller time frames. We see that we are, bullish. So once we identify a trend, we have to look for a high. We look for, based off of a low. Right now, we actually can't throw this high because we actually do not know if there's actually a new high that's going to get formed. We actually need to, be 100% sure that the high is actually developed and formed. And then from there, we are going to potentially see if we could catch a Fibonacci. I obviously don't want to take anything off of the 382 or the 236. It's not my style of trading. I would do that if I really felt like there was enough bullish, strong momentum. See, the only times that you're catching trades off the 236 and the 362 on a Fibonacci, the only way you're doing that is whenever it's a continuation trade, where you feel like price is not going to have any retracements, and it's whenever price is on those rallies where you know that price is really just not going to turn around for you, and you really just got to catch anything you can. And sometimes you hop into the trades, you know, very little drawdown, and you hit take profit really quickly. You didn't really leverage hard because you weren't expecting the pull, because you were expecting a pullback, it didn't pull back. That's the type of trade that is for. What I'm expecting here now is, you know, I want something that's coming down to the 0618 to 764, and even then I'm not sure if I'm taking the trade, but that's kind of what I'm looking for. What's the record lately? Not really 100% sure, but I don't think it's too neat. What to do, Paras? Paras, you know what a ladyboy is? Paras, where are you? Are you out on the islands? Paras, tell the truth. You out on the islands or what? You're hanging out in Bangladesh? Oh my god. Yo, Paras, you know who P. Diddy is? They told me you've been hanging out with P. Diddy a lot. You be, I mean, I ain't gonna say the rest because I don't want to get demonetized. I ain't trying to get my YouTube blocked. I don't want to have no Illuminati come knock at my door or anything like that. But I've heard Pada's been partying with P. Diddy lately. They met way back in Epstein's Island. Pada's capital. Pada's capital. When did? Diddy things. Pada's. Are you ready to get back to work so I could fucking conquer the world? Cause I am. Alright, what do you guys think with the name P. Diddy? Who calls themselves P. Diddy? Help me scalp. Could you guys, I feel like I would get a lot more viewers if I would scalp off like 5-minute time frames consistently. Like imagine for a whole week we had like this series where we would take 5 trades a day. We should start today. We should do 5 trades and they should all be scalps. Then we should have a record. Like, I don't know, 5 trades a day. And we put like if it's a win, loss, win, and we get to 5. And we see how good we can do. I'm feeling a little I would sure hit this trade right here. Oh! But I get clapped already. Oh! Come on. We're holding this one. Upside. Oh! Lord help me. Yeah, we definitely scaling into this one. The scaling is real right now, boys. Come on, DJ. Come on, DJ, get her done. Let's go. Dude, that'd be definitely fun. It'd be a very, very fun fucking... I'll be goddamn. I was gonna say something that was gonna get people triggered. I'm gonna be goddamn blowing accounts left and right. Could you imagine us trading like that on live stream? I feel like that's how like Don Vo trades and shit. No, we are not in the trade. Bro woken up the neighbors for sure. Bruh, I'm out here trying to scalp. That's what scalping is. It's a goddamn gamble. Y'all be doing that goddamn buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell bullshit. That shit don't work. This looks like a Head and Shoulders though. I wonder if this actual Head and Shoulders on the 1 minute's gonna play out. I never actually look at the 1 minute anymore, so I'm actually very interested to see if this is gonna play out. We're capping. You look like Che Guevara. All right, new 30 minutes gonna open up, boys. For the scalpers that are actually waiting to catch a real trade, man, I have a strong feeling that this new 30-minute candlestick is going to open up with momentum and actually wick fill what we have happening right now, right here. That's going to get wick filled. New 30-minute candlestick is going to open, and this is going to wick fill this right here. I don't know how many pips there is to catch there. 10 pips. Ernesto, dude, that's my uncle, bro. Ernesto. And the next 30-minute candlestick opened. Not how I wanted it. I mean, it did open up how I wanted to. How I like predicted it to, and then it didn't. Dude, this guy doesn't know that me and Ernesto go way back. People say I look like Iron Man. There you go. 30-minute candlestick wick fill. Easy price action for those who took the wick fill scalp. Congratulations. You guys are up. Congratulations. New 30-minute candlestick is wick filling for you. That is exactly what you wanted. There it is. Bada boom. Bada bing. Sometimes people misinterpret these wicks, man. A lot of people think that wicks mean that price is being pulled towards one side. Like if we reject the resistance with a wick, people think that price needs to go down, and it's no, man. Anybody actually catch this little scalp right here that's happening? I don't want no liars in the chat. I want to know if somebody actually was like, oh shit, this guy's being serious, I'm gonna take the scalp. I didn't take the scalp. I'm not in this trade, by the way, boys. Did somebody take that scalp right there? I'll be goddamn happy if nobody says they took the scalp, because that means that we don't got any gamblers in my stream right now. My rook caught 8 pips. But was that like, is that like your style that you always be doing, or like, I don't know, I feel like you did that on your own. TFT stole your TFT, man, I have been robbed by prop firms time and time again. I'm the professional wrong prop firm chooser. Facts, King Vo, King Joy. I just called him King Vo. Oh, paras, paras, paras. God damn, I got no idea, man. I've been robbed by even FTMO. I want to know why I know they fucked me. Because I was cashing out on that account. Then they said I was reverse trading. Then I started trading on other FTMO accounts that are my clients. And everything's been fine ever since. Same thing that I've always been doing. So they literally just saw the account. They said, fuck you. And they literally just took that shit. $6,000. I remember when I went to Vegas, my Forex funds owed me $8,000. Didn't pay me. $6,000 from FTMO. Move on. Move forward. It is what it is. It's part of the game. Charge it to the gang. Charge it to the game. I told my mama we gonna be fine. How many accounts do you have right now? Paras. Paras has around over 5 accounts under management right now. Paras has been killing it. Paras is the ultimate goddamn Bangladeshian matrix runner. What do you mean what I do next? I go to the next prop firm. If you were asking me that, I go to the next prop firm and pray for the best. I mean, it's like, even it shows you how much I value prop firms, that even with prop firms shutting down, I, with experience in this industry, still will tell you, you have more chances of making $100,000 using prop firms that are getting shut down right now than goddamn opening up a goddamn $1,000 live account or a $5,000 live account. I'm telling you, it makes no sense for you to do that. Did you at least get your... I mean, yeah, I cashed out. That was that FTMO account that they didn't give me $6,000 through November to February, November to January. It was a 3-month span. I think that's 3 months where I made $26,000 with them. Well, no, I made more than $26,000 with them. My client made $26,000 with them. I made from that money a little bit more, around like $8,000. So we made like 30-something thousand dollars. And yeah, and then we had another $6,000 payout, and they weren't having it. Y'all saw what happened with that Javier dude? With the Javier dude that Daniel Savage put on, and then I don't know where he was scamming. We got any victims? Well, y'all don't even know who I'm talking about when I say that, which is probably good. Oh my god, I think these guys think that you're actually Bangladeshian. Well, you are, but it's Bangladeshian Spanish. What happened to Javier? Just nothing. Daniel Savage called him out because Javier was just scamming a whole bunch of people, taking their account, like charging them and then just blocking them. I just took a bitch off land.
Got 2 cell phones, yeah, I'm 70 men. 2-tone present Rolex. Yeah, this drippy can't catch. Simon say, do what I said. People ain't choke my neck. Why I say Uber DJ? Call him Miss VVS. Auto my wrist, counted and spin it. Mad at the coupe, mine with no tenant. Chop out the top, hit it in limits. I got some cash, I wanna spend it. New paper tag, didn't wanna rent it. Too many fads, too many bitches. Roll my slime.
I have exactly no. I don't know exactly what he was doing, but I know he was scamming. I know he was scamming for a fact. I know he was scamming because he was accepting people's money and then he would just block them. He was selling live accounts. What's crazy is that people think that that dude's like a guru. I was like, this is messages with me and Javier. Javier, this guy, Lamborghini, pro guru. 17k followers. This is him November 25th 2020. This is when I was streaming with Daniel Savage live on Zooms every single day. Around like 400 500 people would join, even at most 800 people minimum, fucking like 300 200. He goes, lit. I forgot what, I don't know what he replied to, but he goes, maybe you won't. He goes, oh, because he saw that I was gonna go to Raul's like meet and greet type shit. Like I was a part of it. I'm boys with Raul. And then he goes, lit, maybe you won't recognize me. I see you on Zoom every night, bro. Stay safe here in Miami. I put, thanks, G. He goes, I'll see you at the HQ on Saturday. And then again, he messaged me. So they changed the HQ, and I was like, I don't know. The point is, this dude was literally just on my streams learning how to trade. November 25th, 2020. And now he's supposedly a guru. Interesting how this industry works. Apparently you're a guru by according to who you know, not according to how you perform or what you do. Or maybe he just was a beast. I mean, or like he just became randomly a beast trader. Who knows? I don't know. I'm just asking questions. Badum. The same Wickfield play setup that I was talking about in the 30-minute that happened could possibly happen right now in this 1 hour candlestick as well. It could close where it is, like where it is right now. New hourly candlestick opens with pure momentum and it starts Wickfielding and flying. We clearly saw that today's session could bring random volumes of volatility randomly and just fucking make price fly. So we got to be very cautious. And I mean, we would have hopped into a buy. We would have been either like 5 to 6 pips in profit, back at break even. I don't know. We wouldn't have really done much. Price hasn't really gone anywhere right now, so it's good that we're being patient. Gold looks like it's held support. Might keep on going up right now. Ooh, that 30-minute candlestick is coming down with momentum. 30-minute candlestick is coming down with momentum. I don't know, man. I've heard bad things about Rocket 21, but then again, I don't think you could really find too much bad things about them. So maybe I just heard from the wrong people. I'm actually not knowledgeable enough to know about Rocket 21 to know about. Oh. To me, Alex, I mean, I don't know exactly what Alex G is included in, if it's good or bad, but he's definitely a dope guy. He definitely knows how to trade. And he's a likable person. I kind of fuck with the dude. I like him. I'm not really friends with him. I don't really know him in person like that, but I do like the dude. The dude's pretty interesting.
Take prescriptions to make me feel okay. I know it's all in my head. I have these lucid dreams where I can't move a thing, thinking of you in my bed. You were my everything, thoughts of a wedding ring. Now I'm just better off dead. I'll do it over again. I didn't want it to end. Now watch it blow in the wind. I should've listened to my friends. Leave the shit in the past, but I wanted to last. You were made out of plastic, fake. I was tangled up in your drastic ways. Who knew evil girls had the prettiest face? You gave me a heart that was full of mistakes. I gave you my heart and you made heart break. You made my heart break. You made my heart ache. You made my heart break. You made my heart ache. You made my.
What it do, Saxy? I think it really looks like a clean cut setup that we could be taking, like, for example, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. I am very tempted to take the long right now. I just don't know how quick we will actually get to 30 pips, you know, like that's 26, 30 pips, and we're going down right now. Patience is definitely going to be our virtue tonight, boys. I apologize that we're not in the. My man Darren, missed you too, brother. That is the boss man, Darren. Boss man, Darren. How are you doing? Very pleasant to have you in the building. Very pleasant to hear from you. Make sure you hit that like button. I need to figure out a way to be able to angle this camera a little bit lower so I don't got to be looking up at you guys. I'm like, goddamn, feels like I'm goddamn like tanning here and the sun's up and just fucking, why is everyone falling out with Lambo? I honestly, I don't know personally I don't think many people do know personally. I mean, because it's mostly because of the prop firms. It has nothing to do with the bot. The bot's just the cherry on top. It has to do with the prop firm situation. But the thing is, Lambo was always the face of the prop firm. He was never the actual prop firm owner. Sorry for the yawn. I know yawning is contagious, boys. Alright, guys. Catch you later. Nothing to do. Wait. Paras. No. Hey. What you doing, you Bangladeshi ladyboy? What you mean later? Oh yeah, that book. Hey, Paras, come on, don't be like that. What? Paras, only for you, my love. Paras, be a good boy. Give you a kiss on your forehead. Buenos días, Bosquito. Ábramelo, paisero. Paras, my dog. My little dog. My female dog. You have love in this chat when you're not fighting with people for freaking dumb reasons, and you're letting, and your feelings aren't getting hurt, and you're not banning people like a goddamn Genghis Khan. Alright, like I said, boys, there's a huge impulse to the downside right here, just in front of my face. I can't ignore it. You know what I mean? Correction phase looks like it's being formed right here, which is what we're looking at, which is price action not moving. Look at the daily candlestick chart. Daily candlestick chart, it's hanging low at support, closed at this low. Like, this looks like it needs to keep on going down. Like, look how many daily candlesticks in a row we've had. Now we keep on making higher lows. We're showing this little ripple. There's clearly a bullish setup and there's clearly a bearish setup, and I hate when the chart does that. I really hate it. We're gonna have to wait for confirmations, boys. All right, I gotta adjust my posture. What do I think about his bot? I think that his bot could probably perform in certain market conditions with some correct leverage. Do I think that? I don't think that any bot out there is ever going to be able to outperform the market and like really just generate money. Now, do I think he says that the bot's going to make you rich as hells? I don't think so. So I don't think he's doing anything wrong by selling the bot. People are just mad that it's a high ticket. I think that, I mean, that's what it's worth. It's coming from a guy that's worth that much amount of money. I mean, I don't know, you know. Probably only people that are getting really mad are the people that shouldn't have bought it because they really couldn't afford it. Like, I don't know. How's my bot doing? I actually do not know how it's doing. because I have not I haven't, there's nobody that's actually in the bot signal group, so I don't have so I actually don't have it like on where I could see it, actually the last trades it's taken, so I don't really care for it. I kind of had that bot there to be able to show you guys a little bit of the bots that are being sold to the market and show you guys how they perform and what they do. And I think that there was a while where people were following the bot. It had some good performance. It went on some winning streaks, and then I don't know where people were just confused on what the hell the bot wanted to do. And you guys got to see the problems that happens with bots sometimes. It was a good experiment. It was a good experiment to have. Boys in the chat. One's in the chat if you guys think that GJ is bullish. Two's in the chat if you guys think that GJ is going to be bearish. Right now, we have really not moved anywhere from market. We haven't really moved anywhere from, like, since I've been watching the charts about 8 to 9 hours ago. Like, I feel like this is literally, we've been hanging around at these 300 areas for a fat minute. I am not sure what the chart wants to do right now. Man, this thing is looking like it's getting ready to rip. This thing actually looks like it's getting ready to rip. We are not in a trade yet, boys. We are not in a trade. Relax yourselves. Bye, Dahlia. Much love. See you tomorrow. Make sure you come every single day. You know, turn on post notifications. Make sure you guys drop a like, because at 100 likes, we will do cash giveaway with the stream live. Random picks. So make sure everybody drops a like. Make sure you guys subscribe, because we live stream every single day. Well, appreciate you, G. Catch you in New York session if you're still streaming. Gotta be up by 5 a.m. Pacific time. Peace out, brother. Have a great one. Let's go look at gold right now. What is gold doing? Gold is bullish, like we said. Look at that beautiful setup that this was the setup that we were supposed to be taking. We didn't take it. We were focused on GJ. Nonetheless, what is GJ doing right now? Much love, Dahlia. Have a great night. Badass. Your love is leaving. Your love is leaving you, badass. Babe, I hear that. I want some volatility. I really don't want to be able to hop in. I don't want to hop into a trade and go straight into drawdown to begin with. So that's one of the things I'm looking for. I'm looking for a trade that I don't have to suffer through a lot of drawdown, which is, that's when you're kind of asking for too much. When you're asking for a trade that you don't have to go through drawdown. Nonetheless, that's kind of what I'm looking for here. And I know I could get myself that. What the hell happened to my foot? Babe! I want my Celsius. Like I said, GJ is doing a really good ripple fib formation. Ripple fib meaning making higher levels of support. This is the level of support. Nonetheless, it's holding the same level of resistance while it makes higher levels of support, right? Being the level of support. This is the resistance that's being held. These are the, and then these are the ascending levels of support that are being formed. All being held at this resistance. It's a ripple fib. That's ripple fib formation, and that's kind of like what I'm looking at right now. on the smaller time frames. Genghis Khan said no.
It's just you and me, and you know who I choose. You know this what happen, you cut all the cool. I'm talking to me and not you. I missed out on millions and millions, that money is gone. Ain't getting no compensation, ain't no conversation for niggas, we ready to roll. Let's get back to the basic, main reason they faking, cause I done been fucking they hoes. Only reason you said it, cause the niggas said it, you sucking the dick in the toes. You get caught, gotta know how it go. Cause this shit can get triggered for sure. Rich enough to get put in a hole. Got a crew, but I've been all alone. I've been driving the car from the back, taking pictures and pieces in back of the roads. And I think the little boy wanna cook, so let's crank up the beef and get back to the shows. In Miami, we BP the boat.
I have to start taking the trade soon, boys.
It's been so long. Ever wonder that I was doing wrong? I'll say, hold up, I'm switching up the tone. Me nigga can see me with a song. If a nigga didn't never see me, probably when he be rapping all alone. He young gonna didn't get a season. You niggas will never put it on. I can stop, I got what was needed. Yeah, I know y'all won't wanna put me on.
So we have an hourly candlestick that's about to close in 2 minutes, boys. In 2 minutes, this hourly candlestick is going to close. I have a strong feeling that this hourly candlestick is going to close, leaving this huge wick. People think it means that its price wants to go to the downside. I actually think that the next hourly candlestick is going to open up with no bottom wick, have a lot of momentum, and it's literally just going to start wick filling this whole wick. And then after that, it might range around, and I'm not really sure, ring around the posy. I am really debating taking a buy right now. 30 pip stop loss, riding it out like a soldier. Really debating it right now.
I'm over boss and I gotta be cautious cause niggas don't keep it 100. It ain't my fault that I had to fall out with you niggas, but fuck it. Ain't having time to be tongue. Wrestling with niggas come see me in public. You can't be trusted, you gotta watch out for you people. Cause shit it get ugly and you could be lucky if you could look out for your people. When you ain't had nothing and try to make something we looking.
You bought right now before the 1 hour candle opened? Let's see it. I'm debating it, man. They set me down like I went out of space, now I gotta go back to the moon. 37 seconds till the new hourly candlestick open. This is getting exciting.
Shot to the face, don't trip on your legs. Burn away our carbon beam, knock your legs off. Try to get away from me. Had to stand off. Hit him in the spine. Knock his dreads off. My what is it called about it? I didn't name them random mouse. Dugging in my Reeboks. Ride with a T-shirt. I heard he shot. Turkles make a big bucks. He made that shot turn. Roll this bottle, pepper car. I don't mind. Jerk gon' make him beatbox. In Miami with my motherfucking heat. Another nigga bitch, since she got a feet. I walked in the party. I'm on my big four shit, ready to get it started. Bitch, I got no sense. Oh, hit the plug. Ride around with folk. Call me Kobe. 24. Can't fuck with her no more. That little bitch, she do the most. I get in groove on every time I see the folks. I got
What you doing? Is it gonna just leave a wick to the downside and flip? What's it doing? Look at the 4 hour candlestick is backward open. With a paragraph on why he thinks it should fly. 8 SMA showing level of rejection to the downside. Uh-oh. Hourly about to flip or what? Hourly is about to flip. Jesus Christ. And I'm too fucking scared. I see the beautiful ripple fib and look, I'm too scared to call it. Look at these higher levels of support being formed. Resistance being held. Boys, I think we're gonna hop into a trade. Oh my god, and price is going back down. The patience is paying off. Shoot your shit up on the E-way, get out the sign line is us. 4 hour for me, boys. You guys know how I bearish candlestick. This is a continuation candlestick, continuation candlestick, continuation candlestick, continuation candlestick, which means it should continue doing what this candlestick did, which is bearish. So I have no idea. I'd be happy if price goes downwards, because that means that I feel like I know what I'm doing, you know. It's like an ascending wedge type formation. Impulse, correction, impulse. Stevie Wonder conceded I'm having. I told her be patient, she waited. I gave her the dicks, walked out doing the beatbox challenge. Like, yeah, get in there, baby. You know me, hit you anywhere, baby. Know she gonna do whatever I say. I can piss in the cup, call it lemonade, baby. Let that bitch off, I'm a renegade, baby. I'ma get out of there, I ain't feeling that. Nigga run up on me with a cell phone, now they gon' fuck around down the internet. Kill him on IG Live. Let the whole world see the nigga die. Yeah, shout out to Spot him, we got him. Get out. Even though he a rapper, he shot him. I get this big pretty ass smile from my mama. Get this motherfucking voice from my daddy. I learned how to pimp on them hoes with my uncle. Let her suck on my toes cause I'm nasty, okay? Like fuck it, she asked me to do it. Play with me, I'ma actually shoot you. Most of these niggas be capping, we knew it. These niggas drop shit when we laugh at their music. I know how to murder these niggas with kindness. Fucking that bitch from the back, I do it. I buy a Cuban and fill it with diamonds. Send my assistant to pick up some condoms. Instagram model at the hotel, text me now. Want me to give it to Johnson. Damn, the nigga baby on fire, it won't go out. They know that the niggas a problem. Got a big 4-5 on decop. Go. Using big words like I'm T.I. Turn up. Don't wanna get me started, nigga. Turn me up, niggas gon' see why. Nigga, you a bitch. JoJo, see why. Bitch. Let the wrong nigga get rich. Both of these chains on my neck, they compete with each other. They fighting and throwing a fit. Know how these hoes like to argue and beef with each other. She fight now over the dick. You should already know you ain't searching the baby, cause that nigga like to come in with the stick. I don't like to get it in the mix. No. Alright, sorry boys. I was trying to see what I was being messaged on Instagram. Alright. Now the question comes to be, so we have on the hourly candlestick chart our 50 SMA up here, which means, you know, prices beneath the 50 SMA, which means sell, if we're talking about indicators. We had this 8 SMA holding price, holding support, holding support, holding support, and right now we can see that this line I'm trying to draw over the 8 SMA, it's being disrespected to the downside, right? We haven't closed beneath it. We haven't really a 30-minute candlestick. I mean, right now we're testing it, right? We could potentially keep on holding this area and then, you know, open up a new candlestick and keep on going to the downside, but up to the moment we're testing it, we could potentially still reject. Like you can see that it is ascending levels of support, and then we could end up wick filling this right here. The uncertainty has me not hopping into a trade. I hope you guys, instead of hating me for being so patient and boring, kind of take a lesson out of it. Take a lesson out of how I see perfectly the bullish setup. I do see how it could go bullish. I perfectly do see the sell setup as well. And that's exactly why I'm staying out of it, because both of these setups have just as much validity. I've seen them both play out. It's not really giving me anything clear right now in this area. We're not in an area where I see anything too clear, right? I don't want to be able to tell you guys hop into a trade and it be a gamble. I'd rather just tell you guys, hey, look, I do understand your bullish setup. I see what you see. If you believe you want to take that trade, you could take it. I do see you to the downside as well. If you do feel like that's the trade you want to take it. If you want to be patient and wait in front of me, wait with me for us to, like, you know, give some clean price action out of this range, then that would so be it. I like that a lot more better. That is my play. Oh my god, I knew gold would fly. This was the setup that we were supposed to be taking on gold. I knew that we should have just fucking taken a gold. Oh my god. Well, it was also doing a ripple fib. I don't know if you guys see the ripple fib right here. Very, very valid ripple fib. So it's resistance right here. Higher level of support, resistance held. Higher level support, resistance held. Higher level support, resistance held. Explosion. I'm actually in some gold trades. I'm actually in a gold trade in some of the people's accounts that I'm passing right now currently, like Renee. But Renee's not here. I'm actually gonna look at his account right now through my iPad. But yeah, I did actually take this trade on some of the people's accounts that I'm passing their challenge, that I'm passing the challenge for.
Catch them on the day you play with us and get your bitch shot. See them lights and take them on the chase, don't do no pit stop. Two-turn game, we drop the race. Kill him what my chopper say. Fucking let that chopper spray. Caught him snoozing, shot his face. I was salty.
We're moving.
Your man don't shoot them blocks away. I call my little killer, what's the plan? Let's whack our ops today. Gang, 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 gang. Bitch, bitch.
That bit booming. That's exactly what it's doing. That's exactly what that bitch is doing. That bitch is booming. I'm pretty pissed that I knew that I was like, fuck, GG's in an horrible range. I just didn't want to get clapped. It's my first trade of the day. First trade of the new, basically, trading year for me. That's the way I'm seeing it. I didn't want to screw it over. I screwed it over. I had to just trust that Ripple fib. Looking at it now in hindsight, boys, look how beautiful. I mean, I told you guys, Ripple fib is when you hold the same resistance, higher level of support, same resistance, explosion. Look at that, boys. It looks so beautiful. Oh my god. Got me like, oh my gosh, I'm so in love. I wish I would have hit that trade. There's so many ways to love you.
Some said I'd never be a superstar, but I know I'm different. I'm a voice, but the system ain't give me a choice. Know some people that still undeployed. I know a fella who trying to get forward. Child support, your only support. For a visit, I'm going to courts.
So now when I look at the weekly candlestick chart, boys, I mean, just because we have this 8 SMA right here, right? Just because we have this 8 SMA right here, it doesn't only mean that price is going to reject when it hits it. We're not only acting like this means that price is going to repel and reject from that area. Price also has a really good chance of attracting towards this 8 SMA, and then after that disrespecting it and trading beneath it, actually covering it and trading like down here in this area and having the wick, like that. And then last second before the week actually closes, it wicks all the way back up to here and leave the huge wick. That's still a possibility. Price doesn't always just reject SMAs. It gets attracted towards them as well. Damn, dude, I think buys might be the correct setup right now. What does a 30 pip stop loss do right now? Oh, that's a sell. These days, seeing rappers be dying way before they even getting they shine. I never even heard of Lil Buddy. Just somebody murder Lil Buddy. Now I'm on the phone searching Lil Buddy name. Gotta play his tunes all day in my room. Thinking, damn, this shit wicked to get their names buzzing. Monthly on GJ is bound to flip bullish, man. It's like it has to die out now or it's bound to flip bullish. But now, 4-hour candlestick chart, deep beneath the 8 SMA, deep beneath the 50. Like, this could just melt out at any moment. All right.
Remember you used to chase a bag on that curb. I be stunting on they ass, this for dirt. All that dirt I shook off right before I took off. Don't forgive me was the last thing I heard. And then came the sorries, and then a Ferrari. Everybody say they sorry now. So my life is like a party now. Gangsta, I'm the synonym. Pistol spit like Eminem. I be with some steppers, yeah. If I don't step, I'm sending them. Locked in with shoes, don't fuck with bricks. I hate to miss the rim. They love you when you shining. Where was you when all this shit was dim? Swerving, park the Cullinan. Miss me with that brother shit. Every day I'm adding to the list who I'm not fucking with. Free trench if they give them a bonus, who I'm going to get.
Not yet. We're not in yet. We're not in yet.
Remember you used to chase a bag on that curb. I be stunting on they ass, this for dirt. All that dirt I shook off right before I took off. Don't forgive me was the last thing I heard. And then came the sorries, and then a Ferrari. Everybody say they sorry now. So my life is like a party now.
I don't think the price is ready, boys. I mean, if we take this trade, we might have to expect some drop. GU's moving up right now. It really is. All right, we're taking this 30 pip stop loss trade.
Chase a bag on that curb. I be stunting on they ass, this for dirt. All that dirt I shook off right before I took off. Don't forgive me was the last thing I heard. And then came the sorries, and then a Ferrari. Everybody say they sorry now. So my life is like a party now.
Not forcing. We shouldn't force it. We shouldn't force it. That's what you're saying. We shouldn't force it. Let's not force it. Let's not force it, boys. Pull down the trigger. Put the trigger down. Put the trigger down. Put the trigger down, boys. We're not forcing it. I appreciate that, but let's not. Put the trigger down, boys. False alarm. Put the triggers down. I got my team trigger ready. I know that y'all trigger happy, trigger ready to goddamn snipe GJ. Patience is a virtue, boys. Every time we have been patient, we have seen that price has decided to turn around to down by now full leverage. I mean, it's that I can't ignore the fact that the momentum is to the downside. Like, look at this. We see impulse to the downside, correction phase is being formed. This is all a correction phase. I don't care that you guys see these wicks to the downside and support being held. Still a correction phase. I'm all over the place. I was about to take a buy and I'm talking about the correction phase to the downside. We're going to be patient. I mean, if you look at where price is right now, it's literally where it's been for how long? Since for a whole day. See ya, Darren. Have a great dinner with the family. Thank you for coming to the stream. Make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications. We're going to be live streaming every single day. We're going to be having great live streams every single day. I'm back at my home setup. We are back in the office. Boys, we are ready to fucking... It's buy now, homie. The buys. Those are EMAs. It is my 8 EMA and my 50. This is the 50 right here. This is the 8. Oh my god, gold is still going. I'm still holding. I'm on the accounts that I'm passing right now. I am still holding gold longs. Only a couple, but I have a good amount of accounts on gold longs. Renee, who was in the chat earlier, is one of them. Last week I got to pass 7 accounts for, and a lot of those people are in my VIP, because whenever people pass, whenever somebody asks me to pass a challenge for them, I always put them in the VIP. So my VIP is full of people that are fucking getting funded, literally. I think I posted in the announcements the accounts that I got funded last week. Announcements. Yeah, I posted here all the accounts. Oh, all the accounts that I got passed. This one 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 passed. Yeah, there was a whole bunch of more. Well, there were 7 in total. It depends on the account size. Darren, we are in the process as we speak right now. No need to, Darren. You are in great hands. Baby, all you really want is love. Only talk to bosses, independent, can't be fucking with a scrub. Girl, I know you can't be fucking with a scrub. I get this feeling in my stomach when you next to me. I sent the Discord. If you guys do have questions about challenge passing, you guys go right here. Challenge passing, open ticket, right there. The link is in the Discord. In the Discord chat. I mean, link is in the YouTube chat. See you tomorrow, Darren. Link is in the Discord chat right here. You could ask all the questions you guys want, but 100k challenge is like 500. But I prefer. Cool, let's get the puppy done. See you tomorrow. I haven't checked that. 100k. Did you pass mine? Baby, all you really want is love. Only talk to bosses, independent, can't fucking with a scrub. I'm always leaking credentials like a fucking maniac. Yo, GJ, do something, brother. Do something. Bonding over drugs and pain, dirty sprites, yeah. My dog was one of a kind, I know your type rare. I know life is a bitch and she don't fight fair. How the fuck I wake up from a dream to a nightmare? Left us behind. Range. I know you walking up to heaven on them white. Range. About to go long. Arnold's, why every time I'm on is ranging? How does that even make sense? Why me? Say that's my nigga, I made him a million, now fuck it, we all rich. I ain't tryna have babies right now, so we fuck with a rubber, but I got a raw bitch. Know this money bring EV, you probably won't feel it, but bro, we can't be right. Come on, GJ. I feel like, dude, every time I'm on during my London session, like whenever I decide to get on the charts, just fucking decides to stop moving. Like if you guys notice, this is where we were when we opened up London, 193.50. Like this is literally exactly where we are. We've been here at this exact level for about 9 hours now. I think more than 9 hours. Oh my god.
go solo, got a squad. We finally made it, let's pop us a bottle. I took the lead and let everyone follow. They know I'm running it right to the bank. They want me to ease up, I didn't leave them in the breathing room. Sorry, I told them I can't. Heard you a rat, so you know what's gonna happen whenever we catch you. I run with them straight.
All right, chat. Did the chat have a change in heart? One's in the chat if you guys think that GG is going to go bullish. Two's in the chat if you guys think GG is going to go bearish. If GG doesn't start moving pretty soon, I'm going to have to just set a trade for the stream. You guys are going to go with 0.5% risk, and we're just going to keep it moving to be able to be set on a side of the market. I'm with sells right now. I'm a 2. I think that chart is going to sell out. I'll be honest with you guys. I do not like the buys right now. Even though I see this 30-minute candlestick chart being able to have a perfect rejection right now and then just fling to the top side. I mean, that's what the ripple fib does. It just fucking gets you randomly. This resistance level is holding. Higher levels of support are being formed. I'm tempted to fucking just hold a 30 pip stop loss and wait for the fling to the top side. But then again, I'm looking at the higher time frame and I'm not 100% convinced. It's so frustrating. Not frustrating. I just wish I had as much energy as I wish I had. Patience is running out, man. Come on, do something, GJ. And it's not even that I'm running out of patience. I'm running out of goddamn patience of seeing GJ not going anywhere. That's the goddamn thing. One's in the chat if you guys think that GG is going to fly. Two's in the chat if you guys think GG is going to sell. Gold unexpected.
I can draw the top. I done made it, nigga. All these digits coming in. I'm saving for the bigger picture. No one day I need them. Might as well get used to me. My biggest fear is ending up a used to be. Yeah, my diamonds be VV. They don't want to see us on TV unless it's the news. I got something to prove. Yeah, I'm young, but got something to lose. In the street, I done paid all my dues. No extortion, ain't talking about literally. I be walking on beats, is you hearing me? I just pray that my kids be a bigger me. They can't get rid of me. My diamonds be VV. They don't want to see us on TV unless it's the news. I got something to prove. Yeah, I'm young, but got something to lose. In the street, I done paid all my dues. No extortion, ain't talking about literally. I be walking on beats, is you hearing me? I just pray that my kids be a bigger me. They can't get rid of me.
All right, this 4 hour about to flip bullish. Watch. Let's look at the 4 hour candlestick chart right now. 4 hour candlestick chart right now is giving. I mean, it gave the bottom wick and it's rejecting the bottom wick. Man, it's giving me vibes that it has a chance of going bullish, just like it has a chance of going bearish. It's really of a 50-50 thing. I'm mostly on the sell side. I think that it's gonna go bearish. Do we have anybody currently in any trades right now? Or you guys are all just scoping out the market, watching it range? Or do we have actually anybody that's freaking trading like a goddamn... Oh my god, this looks like it's going to flip. Hourly candlestick chart gives me vibes that it's going to flip bullish. Gold sell? Oh god. What an ugly ass chart right now. Well, the bullish flip is about to happen for those who are in buys and actually did anticipate this candlestick from flipping bearish to bullish. That would have been a decent entry. Regardless of it being a decent entry, I'm not really sure if price is ready to just fling up out of nowhere. That's the interesting part. Waiting for volume to come to actually be on the correct side of the market. Hopefully that resistance doesn't get broken and flying through. We still have a chance to hop in if we did want to hop into buys.
Tell me that's how this shit go. What you know about move your folks so you can handle smoke. Night owl with that Drake must be OVO. What the fuck, nigga?
Metro Boomin want some more, nigga. And that best thing speeding through the city. Panoramic brain in my head.
Come on, GJ. Come on. Give us something. Jesus Christ. So if we go to Forex Factory, we see that, I mean, the only thing we have coming up is at 10 o'clock. We have, I don't know what the hell this is. We got job openings, red folder at 10 o'clock. This is like fucking 5.5 hours from now. 5.5 hours from now, we have a huge red folder. What is holding price up right now? Like, where's the, what is up? Is GU looking any better? GU is looking a little bit better. GU doesn't look too pretty either. Gold looks like it's getting ready to fly. I can see gold going on a huge rally. No cap. Please do not take gold sells. That is not the play to go. And GJ, use a hoe. That's how I feel about you. Literally. Respected that 8 SMA right there, boys. Respected it right here. Gold sells make no sense right now when you have the 4-hour candlestick chart literally on the most beautiful bullish rally you can see. We have the 8 SMA right here literally pushing price. Everything has been respected. We have not gone beneath it for days and days and days and days and days. So if nothing has told you, like nothing, you know, nothing told you to take a sell here, or like the same reasons you were probably taking a sell right now is the same reasons you could have taken a sell all these candlesticks before and it still didn't go down. So just look at what the pattern is telling you. You know, the pattern is pretty simple right now. Look at this on the 2-hour candlestick chart. I mean, we're bullish. We had our retracement, and now we're just bullish again. We're back at this resistance. Does this resistance mean we're going to sell? No. I mean, this resistance, obviously, we're going to have a little bit of traffic right here in trouble, but at any point right now, this thing could just explode past that resistance, and that's the higher probability thing that's going to happen. I mean, we're on a bullish rally. We're on a bullish trend. Look at it. You know, we had a huge drop off already. We already went to this resistance area and had a huge drop off, which was this right here. Now we recovered it slowly. Why would we just have a huge drop off again? This hasn't got, you know, that's going bullish. Look at that shit. DJ looks pretty damn bullish as well. God damn it. Oh. God damn, man. What a slow ass session. Price is exactly where it was when I first started this stream. How long ago? 2.5 hours ago. Well, at least we got some movement. So we clearly see that GJ is going to do a little bit of a wick fill on that hourly candlestick. Hourly candlestick now made new highs in his wick filling the previous hourly. So we do have bullish momentum present in the market. Now the question is, how long is that momentum going to last? And if volume comes into the market, real volume, will it turn price around? That is the golden question right now. If volume comes into the market, right, real volume, will price get turned around and then just continue to the downside? I do not see myself taking this type of trade right here, boys. This, I don't see myself taking. That, I don't. I absolutely do not see myself taking that trade. Ah, damn it. I wish y'all understood. I wish I knew. TP1 hit 1K profit, baby. Good shit. Good shit, dude. I'm glad for whoever has taken a win on GJ this session. That price has literally gone probably like 15 pips bullish since open. If you guys have been able to cash out on that, congratulations. You should get your ass off and go to sleep. You are definitely victorious. Live, laugh, love. Congratulations, brother. What did it do, Mo Hot? Mo it tunes. Oh, GU is going. I need gold to go. If gold keeps on going, I will be able to pass another 2 accounts. That will be 9 accounts passed in 3 weeks. That will be one of my records. I just need gold to keep on going. Much love to you, brother. I love India. I can't wait. When I'm older, I'm going to move there. Can't wait to be surrounded by you Bangladeshian motherfuckers. You don't need capital to start trading, brother. Who told you that? Do you need a soccer ball to start playing soccer? Do you need a chessboard to start playing chess? Do you need a plane to start learning how to be a pilot? Bullish rally GJ. Wow. Wow, and I'm not in it. I'm about to let the charts fucking just play out and fucking come back to them, dude. Because this choppiness is not what I signed up for. At all. Come on, GJ, man. Well, honestly, it's the first day of the week. Can't really ask for much. Coming off of a bank holiday, not really expecting much volume anyways, and not any news sources coming. What about tomorrow? Is tomorrow full of news? Nope. It's always boring for a London session, and New York always gets the fun. Again, no fun. Again, no fun. Dude, we got no news during London session this week. Are you kidding me? Fuck is this shit?
Remember days loading up magazines, now they see us, we all up in magazines. I'm about making money, laughing, joking when there's nothing funny. You wasn't there, can't get nothing from me. I did some things and gained nothing from it, and I was locked down with they put them chains on me. Mama, just pray for me. I know you stressing, just wait on me. Mama, just wait on me. Wait on me.
All right, boys. I apologize that we have not been able to hop into a trade. I think that a good swing would be a 30 pip stop loss swing sell, 35 pip. I think it would be a smart idea to take a sell. Actually, I do not. I'll take that back. I take that back. I take that back. I take that back. I take that back. Boys, if you guys want to be able to know what next trade I'm going to be taking, you guys have a good chance of seeing it in the Discord, right? Can you send the Discord para us? And if not, you have a good, most likely 100% chance you will see it in the VIP. If you guys want to join the VIP, you guys will be able to see my next trade. I apologize, I am not going to call it out on live stream. I don't even have a trade yet. That's the thing. So there's not even a trade that I'm going to call out. I do have a VIP where I do call out all my personal trades and all my most important trades. Up to the moment, I'm waiting for this fuckery to get out, to stop happening. I'm going to trade. I'm not going to wait for that. I'm going to wait for this. I have a feeling it's going to go short. Now, I see the perfectly long bullish setup. GU is going bullish. Gold is going bullish. Oh, gold is finally retracing. Making more sense now. It makes more sense for GJ. But charts aren't moving, and I'm not going to beat myself up and try to get myself in a trade that I don't want to be in. So therefore, I'm going to step away from the market, and have a reset, mental reset. Zoom with the VIP is a total possibility. We're gonna possibly do private Zoom because I mean that's what we're supposed to do. We're doing minimum 3 private Zooms, and there's only 4 trading days left, so minimum 3 private Zooms a week with our VIP. Boys, thank you guys so much for watching the stream. Potentially we're gonna hop back on during New York stream. What time is it right now? Yeah, we're gonna be live streaming every single day. We're back in the office. We're back in a lit situation. You know, I am just not ready to call out a trade right now, boys. I don't really know what to tell you. It's not the most beautiful place to be right here, and and to tell you the truth, I'm not gonna fucking just tell you guys buy because I want to just take a trade and get off, and I'm not gonna tell you guys sell. I don't want you guys to lose. I really don't want you guys to lose under my word. I've shown you my bullish analysis. I've shown you my bearish analysis. There's not really much more to do here than to, you know, keep it moving. So boys, much love. Hopefully you guys all do come back tomorrow or do tune into the New York session stream. Turn on post notifications. I truly do want to show you guys the ability we do have to be able to take 1 trade a day and go on these long winning streaks. I trust in my ability. I really know that we could get it done. So just make sure you guys start joining every live stream. Today's April 2nd. It's the first trading day of April. Boys, let's have a good trading month. Let's have a good trading month. Let's see it happen, boys. Let's see it happen. Let's make it happen. All it takes is patience and discipline. 1 month, boys. 1 month could change your whole goddamn life. Let's do it. All right. Much love. Arnold, thank you for sticking around as always. Badass, I know you're trying to get some rest. I'm going to go lay down a little bit. I'm going to fucking have some orange juice. I'm going to wait for this fuckery to get out the way. Boys, I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for coming and joining the stream. Make sure you guys turn on post notifications. Make sure you guys drop a like. Make sure you guys follow us on Instagram. Make sure you guys are in the Discord as well. If you guys have any questions about anything, make sure you guys could just DM me personally. Open up a ticket. Oh, if you guys like the playlist, let me know. I'll send it to you guys. Much love to everybody. I adore you guys. Catch you guys later. VIP, you guys will see a trade from me 100% today. As always, boys, much love. Peace.
Roddy, what's good with you?
What's good with you? I feel you straight?
Nah, not really. Thinking about giving up this hooping shit. I'm trying to get some money. Bills due, mom stressed out, crying.
You know what I'm saying? I got you. Nigga don't want to see you, you know, giving up on your shit.
Yeah, niggas always tell me they got me.
Shit, go to the gym, nigga, and just go hoop, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? If I say I got you, I got you.
Don't need cash on you, there.
That boy cash.
I just been ballin' out every season. Knowing some niggas I left in the beach. I just been married to double cup. I gotta pour me a 4 inside another liter. Tie up the bands and then run it up. I gotta put the new bills inside of the freezer. Back at the trap, I was ducking them people. Ducking the birds, sending out the Migos. All of my diamonds gon' bust out the meter. I'm dripping water, nigga, Aquafina. Damn, that bitch capping if she think I need her. Hit her 1 time and then I gotta leave her. I'm a real street nigga. Gotta keep it a rap with my people. Turn the whole squad to bosses. I can't be kicking shit like I'm Adidas. Young nigga pulling up inside the Bentley truck. I just be popping shit like hot grease. I'm in my day sitting at the trap. About to call the plug, got a cop 3. Looked up the Pablo Escobar, Money Meech and Chapo. That's my top 3. Bitch, I was serving the sidewalk. Then I copped the drop, hopped in the street. You can't name a young nigga that's hot as me. All my niggas do murders and robbery. Got about 20 racks in a robbing jean. Niggas thinking I won off the lottery. When I hop in the push start with the pounds, niggas know that it ain't no stopping me. Out of town champ like Mayweather. Got a new crib off the boxing ring. Put the new 4G autos on the Jeep. Run up 30 in a week. I just fuck I don't keep. 45 under the pillow, 45,000 in the sheets. I want the bag, nigga. I can't chase no hoe if I know she ain't married to me. Bitch, I done got this shit about the street. Red gut, period, blood on my seat. I just been ballin' out every season. Knowing some niggas I left in the bleachers. I just been married to double cup. I gotta pour me a 4 inside another liter. Tie up the bands and then run it up. I gotta put the new bills inside of the freezer. Back at the trap, I was ducking them people. Ducking the birds, sending out the Migos. All of my diamonds gon' bust out the meter. I'm dripping water, nigga, Aquafina. Damn, that bitch capping if she think I need her. Hit her 1 time and then I gotta leave her. I'm a real street nigga. Gotta keep it a rap with my people. Turn the whole squad to bosses. I can't be kicking shit like I'm Adidas. Rap shit, I ain't got got it kept shit. I been getting cheese like I'm Velveeta. I'm in a 2-seater with 2 bad bitches, black and white. I'm finna have a zebra. She wanna ride in the back, cause I been having them racks. I ain't showing. She say I ain't got them racks. Thought you know me better than that, but they ain't knowing. She say my VVS is so annoying. I bought a coupe to spoil her. She wanna look out the roof in the morning. Why I said got her a new persona. I went up all like a triple double nigga. Larry Bird with the racks. Living my best life, shorty. You can't never get attached. Went to the